As a mom and you've been struggling with what to feed your baby with to make your baby grow chubby and thick, know that this video is for you, okay? You want to watch the end of this video because I'll be showing you some things you need to do so that your Tom Brown cereal can come out very well. I'll be showing you how to make this cereal in a very simple way that will not stress you out. So stick around to the end of this video. I'll be showing some do's and don'ts for you to take into consideration when making this cereal. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Faith Uche. So these are my ingredients for this cereal. I'll be using this yellow corn, Guinea corn, millets, wheat, tiger nuts, dates, oats, groundnuts, soya beans. This is a cup I'm using for measurement. It's your standard 1 cup, okay? So I believe this cup is the same everywhere. So I'm using 2 cups of yellow corn and I'm going to be sorting this as I watch. I'm not sorting it separately, okay? So I feel doing that is a total waste of time. So this is the fastest way for me. And yeah, these grains, although sometimes they can be really dirty, but when you change your water several times, you can achieve the same results with sorting it separately, okay? So just make sure you do it properly. Change your water till you see that the water is clear enough for you to put it on a train for you to sun dry, okay? I'm done watching. I'm simply going to spread this out and then dry it. You guys, this is a very easy way for you to sun dry your grains without exposing them directly to flies, lizard or birds, because you know these foods are foods for birds that flies in the sky can just see them and then pinch on them and feed on them. So using this way can help you to prevent those things from coming in contact with it. And you know these foods are things your kids are eating. Just use your cling film like this to wrap your train or whatever thing you are using to sun dry, and then use the needle just the way I'm doing it like this. Use the needle to put those holes on it, because after wrapping there is no way the sun can come directly in contact with it. It's just going to, the water is just going to remain inside. So to remove those water from it, I just put these holes on it like that. And if you notice by the side, you see I left a small hole there so that the water can easily go out. So doing it like this will prevent those things from coming in contact with it, and sun can also dry it up. The next one is the wheat, and I'm using 2 cups also. So I'm going to wash this out now just the way I did for the yellow corn. I'm not going to sort it separately. I'm going to sort as I watch, okay? This is the most easiest way for you to do this, mommies. So just do this carefully. Change your water several times till you observe that the water is clear enough. Just do this and it's going to save you lots of time. So yeah, I'm going to repeat the same thing I did for the yellow corn for this one also. So just keep on watching and see as I do it. The next one is the Guinea corn. For this Guinea corn, I'm using 3 cups of Guinea corn, and this is because when you are roasting your Guinea corn, see, you tend to throw out a lot of them because the seeds are really small. So I used 3 cups of Guinea corn, and then I'm going to repeat the same process. Watch as I salt, as in salt as I watch. Okay, so you guys, I'm an advocate of easy life. I'm an advocate of easy way. See, I don't want anything that will stress me, okay? So that's why I'm doing it this way. I told you guys earlier from the introduction that I'm going to show you a way that is going to make it simpler for you. So if you want to find more simpler way for you to do this, you want to watch this video to the end, keep on watching, don't skip it, okay? I'm still going to bring out some other simpler things for you to do while making your Tom Brown cereal. So just do this and it's going to help you, okay? The next grain is your millets. You guys, I'm also going to be measuring 3 cups of millets. These 3 cups of millets is because of same reason with the Guinea corn. this millet is really small, so when you are roasting, you tend to roast out more. Just you throw out more of them, so just make sure you have enough for you to use while throwing out the ones you are throwing out, because you still need to throw out those ones so that you can have a clean millet after washing. So I'm going to repeat the same process I did for the rest grains. I'm going to repeat the same process for this one. My lovelies, if you are deriving benefit from this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button now, please hit it now and give me a thumbs up so that this video can reach more mommies and can also help them, and I will know that I'm doing something good. All right, so please just show me love, okay? Thank you so much. For my tiger nut, I'm using 2 cups of tiger nuts. You can use 2 cups of tiger nuts and then watch it like this. Salt as you watch. I cannot emphasize that enough. It is very easy for you to do this. So after watching, you know the drill. The next ingredient is dates, and I'm using just 1 cup of dates, and this is because this is the one left in my house. It pain me. I don't know that I don't have dates anymore. So you guys, I'm using just 1 cup, but you can use more than this so that your Tom Brown cereal can come out sweet, at least for your kids to like it. So you can use 2 cups. You can use 2.5 safe. So I just used 1 cup, and later on I can add date syrup to it or date powder to it when I'm making the cereal for them to eat. Okay, so if you want me to make a video on how to make your date serum or your date powder, let me know in the comment section. So the next one is the ogbonge soya beans. Hey, these soya beans, I'm not going to be watching I'm not going to be sorting as I watch. I don't know why this thing confused me, but I'm not going to be sorting as I watch. I'm just going to sort this separately. This is the most easiest way to go about your soya bean. After sorting like this, if you are taking it to a public meal, then you can give them there is a way they do it. They will just use their engine to crush it, and then they will take out the chaff for you. All right, and that is it. They are going to blend it together with the rest of your grains. But if you are doing it at home, if you have a strong blender, just do it this way. Sort it. When you are done sorting, then toast. That toasting process is going to take out any bacteria or anything, and besides, you are not giving your baby the chaff, because the chaff is what was exposed to all the dirt in the market, in the open market, and all of those things. And when you eat your soya bean, it's also going to remove any infection or any bacteria that might have come in contact with it being exposed to the open air. Okay, so just do it like this, guys. Trust me on this one when I say this is the most easiest way for you to do this. Know that soaking your soya bean before you dry it again to the sun is going to take lots of time if the sun is not very hot, and if you're in rainy season, this is going to take forever and you don't have an oven or a dehydrator for the process to be fast. It's really going to take a long time, and during that process, while it's taking a long time, it will be smelling. I don't know if you are going to be comfortable with the smell that it has, that will start coming from the soya bean. So so just to be on the safer side, just do it like this. The other grains, they dry really fast, so just do it like this, and you'll be safe and it will be good for everybody. Okay, but just do what works for you. Whichever process you like that works for you, do what is best for you. And if this is your first time of making Tom Brown cereal, know that you can still blend your soya bean together with the rest grains even without taking out the chaff. But it is advisable to take out the chaff because some kids are allergic to it. Like my daughter, she's allergic to that chaff, so I mostly take out the chaff so that she can take it without any allergies. And although the chaff contain more fiber, but to be on the safer side for kids, it's advisable to take out the chaff. Okay, I'm done toasting, and one way for you to know that your soya bean is ready for you to move to the next step is when you pick one of it and the shaft started coming out from it, or when you are toasting you see that there are cracks on it. Know that it is ready for you to take out the shaft or for you to remove it from the heat. And this is the way I do it. I put it on this napkin like this, and then I eat it with my mortar. You can use your blender to blend it a little and then take out the shaft. So you can also do it this way, use mortar like this, eat it and then squeeze out the shaft. But you want to do this while your soya beans is still hot, so that it will be easy for the shell to come out from it. You can see how fine and neat this beans is after removing the shell. I'm using half cup of groundnut, and this is because I don't want the cereal to come out pasty. You want to do the same. Make sure your groundnut is the smallest quantity of all your grains. So this groundnut has already been toasted. I wanted the one that was raw, but they gave me this one unknown to me, so make sure you specify it to them in the market. For the oats, I'm using 2 cups, and next I'm going to start toasting all my grains, and I'm starting with this yellow corn. For the grains, you can decide to toast everything at the same time, mix all together and toast at once, but I won't be doing that because each grain have its own toast time, and I don't want some to be ready while the other ones are not ready. Lovely is to know that your corn is ready for you to take out from the heat. It will start to change in color and it will start to pop like your normal popcorn. Okay, when you see it like that, know that it is ready and you can take it out from the heat. So I'm going to toast the rest grains. The Guinea corn is next, and it will also change in color. Sometimes this Guinea corn pops so when you start seeing it like this, and there's this feeling it gives you when you are toasting, it's kind of feels light when it is ready. You kind of feel that lightness when toasting it. And yeah, when you test, you can just take out one and test. It feels crunchy when you test it. So yeah, just know that it is ready when these things start occurring. And know that when you are toasting, it's the same process for all, no difference. See, when it is ready, it's going to change in color. That brown color, you're going to see it, and it's going to be crunchy. Okay, so it's the same thing for all your ingredients. And feel free to toast everything. I toasted my dates, I toasted my tiger nuts, so just feel free to toast everything. And there's this nice taste you get when you toast your grains. Okay, I really don't understand why some people make some brown without toasting the ingredients. It's not going to come out well, so don't skip this process. Toast all your grains before you go ahead to blend. So now you want to mix your grains together. After adding them up, mix them thoroughly so that everything can combine, so that they can marry very well because if you don't, some side will have oats while the other side will be looking at you. So you want to mix it very well so that everything can sit properly on it. And now after mixing, you want to go ahead to start blending. See, if you don't have a strong blender, please feel free to take it to the local mill close to you, the public mill, okay, so that it will come out smooth. Your Tom Brown cereal needs to be smooth. That is the only way you will enjoy it. Okay, so do that, and yeah, this is the consistency we want. You can see how smooth this my cereal came out. And now you want to let it cool down completely before putting it in an airtight container like this. Please don't expose it too much. When you observe that it's not that hot again, then just put it in an airtight container like this, and then enjoy your Tom Brown cereal. See, if you are blending at home, be observant. This cereal can get burnt with blending. You can see this one, it got burnt. I can't use it to do anything again, so I'm just showing you guys so that you be careful. This is one of the things you should take note of when you are making this cereal. So to make your cereal, just get a bowl like this, and then add it to the bowl, and then pour water on it and mix carefully. Make sure when you are mixing there are no lumps on it, just the way you would make your pap. That is how you are going to do this. Mix it the way you would mix your pap before you add your hot water. Okay, so when you are done mixing and you've seen that there are no longer lumps on it, then you can add it to a boiling water on a separate spot on your stove. So now your water should be boiling. So after pouring this in, please do not take your eyes off it. Don't leave it there and go and do something else, because before you come back it's going to get burnt and you wouldn't want that. So you want to keep a close eye on it and make sure you are eating on medium to low heat, and you want to continue to stir this like this so that the under does not get burnt. Don't cover it, because if you cover it, it's going to get burnt. Okay, so just continue to stir like this so that it can continue to remain smooth and it does not get burnt. So you will know it's ready when the color starts to change, different from the color you added to the pot, and it will start to get thickened a little. So at this point, know that it's ready and you are free to serve this for your baby to eat. And now you can add your baby milk to it, or any milk of your choice. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.